Your views and comments are welcome on the program. Remember to like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and be the first to see as it happens. Watching TV on the go. ZimdiTv, building bridges. Your views and comments are welcome on the program.
To make the mood in this room a bit lighter, an old woman gets pulled over for speeding, and the officer says, "Ma'am, you were speeding." And this woman says, "Oh, I see. Can I see your license?" The police officer asks. The older woman says, "I would give it to you, but I don't have one." And the officer said, "You don't have one?" Then this woman says, "Yes, I lost it 4 years for drunk driving." "I see. Can I see your vehicle registration papers, please?" "I can't do that either." And the officer says, "Why not? I actually stole this car." And this woman, and the police officer says, "You stole it?" "Yes, and I killed and hacked up the owner of the vehicle." Then the officer says, "You what?" "His body parts are in plastic bags in the trunk of this vehicle." So the officer looks at this woman and slowly backs her way to his car and calls for backup. Within minutes, 5 police cars circle the car. A senior officer slowly approaches the car, clasping his half-drawn gun. "Officer, ma'am, could you step out of your vehicle?" And the woman complies. And this woman says, "Is there a problem? One of the officers told me that you have stolen this car and murdered the owner." And this woman says, "Murdered the owner?" "Yes, could you please open the trunk of your car?" The woman opens the trunk, revealing nothing but an empty trunk, so there was no dead body in the car. "Is this your car, ma'am?" The woman says, "Yes, here are the registration papers." The officer is quite stunned. "One of my officers claims that you do not have a driver's license." The woman digs into a clutch bag and pulls out a clutch purse and hands it over to the officer. The officer examines the license. He looks quite puzzled because the woman also has a driver's license. "Thank you, ma'am. One of my officers told me you didn't have a license, that you stole the car, and that you murdered and hacked up the owner." This woman says, "I bet this liar also told you I was speeding too." So this is what we go through on a daily basis as a police officer.